Dark web versus deep web. What's the difference? Imagine a hidden world on the internet, a place search engines can't reach, where websites don't show up on Google and anonymity rules. But what if I told you this secret internet has two sides? The deep web and the dark web. And they're not what most people think. In this video, we're diving deep into the hidden layers of the internet, breaking down what the deep web really is, how it's different from the dark web, and exposing the myths surrounding both. Section 1. What is the deep web? Let's start with the deep web. And no, it's not as scary as it sounds. The deep web refers to all the parts of the internet that aren't indexed by search engines like Google or Bing. This includes content behind paywalls, password-protected sites, private databases, and even your email inbox or bank account dashboard. Essentially, if you need a login or a direct link to access it, it's part of the deep web. Examples: medical records, subscription services, internal company sites, and unlisted YouTube videos. The deep web makes up about 90–95% of the internet, way bigger than the surface web we use every day. Section 2. What is the dark web? Now let's move on to the dark web, a small section of the deep web that's intentionally hidden and requires special tools to access. The most common way to access the dark web is through Tor, the onion router, which anonymizes your connection by bouncing it through multiple servers. Dark web sites have .onion domains and can't be accessed through regular browsers like Chrome or Firefox without special configurations. What's on the dark web? It's a mixed bag. There are forums for free speech activists, whistleblower platforms like SecureDrop, and yes, illegal marketplaces selling drugs, stolen data, and more. The dark web is not inherently illegal, but many shady activities happen there due to its anonymity. Section 3. Key differences between the deep web and dark web. Let's break it down side by side. Access. Deep web requires passwords, subscriptions, or private links. Dark web requires special software like Tor. Content. Deep web. Legitimate content like emails, cloud storage, and private databases. Dark web. Anonymous content, both legal, forms, secure communications, and illegal, black markets, hacked data. Visibility. Deep web. Hidden from search engines but still part of the regular internet. Dark web. Intentionally concealed and anonymous. The deep web is just the hidden part of the internet we use daily, while the dark web is a more secretive corner where anonymity reigns. Which side of the web surprised you the most? Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.